Today we're counting down 20 amazing Amazon products, and trust me, number 20 is definitely worth waiting for. You'll find all product links in the description below. Let's get started. Meet the Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Pizza Oven. This innovative pizza oven uses a rotating tray to cook your pizza evenly from every angle. No flipping and no burnt spots. It heats up quickly and works with frozen pizzas, homemade pizzas, chicken wings, snacks, and more. The top and bottom heating elements can be controlled separately, helping you get the perfect crispy crust every time. A great gadget for pizza lovers who want fast and easy meals at home. Number 2. The Dash Mini Donut Maker. Love fresh donuts without the mess of deep frying? This compact gadget lets you make up to 7 mini donuts at the same time in just a few minutes. The non-stick cooking plates help your donuts cook evenly while making cleanup quick and easy. It's perfect for chocolate donuts, glazed donuts, and creative toppings with sprinkles or powdered sugar. Its compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, and family snack time. A fun and easy way to make homemade treats whenever you want. Number 3. The Cuisinart Pro Custom 11 Food Processor. Tired of spending time chopping and slicing by hand? This powerful 11-cup food processor can chop, slice, shred, mix, and puree in just seconds. The large capacity makes it perfect for meal prep, family dinners, and big recipes. It comes with stainless steel slicing and shredding discs, helping you prepare vegetables, cheese, nuts, and more with ease. The dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and simple, while the powerful motor handles even tougher ingredients without slowing down. A true kitchen essential for anyone who wants to save time and cook smarter. Number 4. The Electric Knife Sharpener. Dull knives can make cooking slower, harder, and even more dangerous. This electric knife sharpener uses a professional 3-stage sharpening system to restore, sharpen, and polish your blades in just minutes. The precision angle guides help create a sharp and consistent edge every time, even if you've never sharpened a knife before. It's perfect for kitchen knives, chef knives, and everyday cooking tools. Instead of replacing old knives, bring them back to life and enjoy smoother, safer, and more precise cutting in the kitchen. Number 5. The Smart Coffee Mug Warmer. Ever take a sip of your coffee only to realize it's already cold? This smart mug warmer keeps your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate at the perfect temperature for hours. With 4 adjustable heat settings, you can choose exactly how warm you want your drink to be. The built-in timer can run from 1 to 12 hours, while the automatic shutoff feature adds extra safety and peace of mind. It's perfect for work, study sessions, gaming, or long meetings where drinks are often forgotten. No more trips to the microwave and no more cold coffee halfway through your cup. A simple gadget that coffee lovers quickly realize they can't live without. Number 6. The Kitchen Mama Automatic Can Opener. Opening cans doesn't get easier than this. Just place the can opener on top of the can, press the button, and let it do all the work for you. This hands-free gadget cuts smoothly around the lid, leaving safe and smooth edges without sharp metal pieces. It's especially useful for seniors, people with arthritis, or anyone who struggles with traditional can openers. The compact battery-powered design makes it easy to store and use anywhere in the kitchen. Once you try opening cans with a single button press, it's hard to go back to doing it by hand. Number 7. The Automatic Pan Stir. Ever wish you had an extra hand in the kitchen? This automatic pan stir keeps your sauces, soups, oatmeal, and gravies moving while you focus on other tasks. Simply place it in the pan, choose your preferred speed, and let it stir automatically for you. The built-in LED speed indicator makes it easy to adjust the stirring intensity depending on what you're cooking. No more standing over the stove constantly stirring to prevent burning or sticking. It's a simple but surprisingly useful gadget that makes cooking easier and gives you more freedom in the kitchen. Number 8. Reusable silicone air fryer liners. Love using your air fryer but hate cleaning the basket afterward? These reusable silicone liners help catch grease, crumbs, and food residue, keeping your air fryer much cleaner after every meal. Made from heat-resistant, food-safe silicone, they're designed to improve airflow while protecting the basket from scratches and buildup. The built-in handles make them easy to lift out, even when hot. They're reusable, dishwasher-safe, and compatible with many popular air fryer brands, including Ninja, Cosori, and Instant. A simple accessory that saves time, reduces mess, and makes air fryer cooking even more convenient. Number 9. The Clear Ice Ball Maker. Want your drinks to look like they came from a luxury bar? This ice ball maker creates large, crystal clear ice spheres that melt much slower than regular ice cubes. That means your whiskey, cocktails, iced coffee, and soft drinks stay colder for longer without getting watered down too quickly. The premium mold design makes releasing the ice easy, while the large 2.5-inch ice balls add a premium touch to any drink. Perfect for parties, home bars, and anyone who enjoys a more elegant drinking experience. It's a small gadget that makes a surprisingly big difference in presentation and flavor. Number 10. The Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Who says you need a big machine to make great waffles? This compact waffle maker heats up quickly and creates delicious golden waffles in just a few minutes. The non-stick cooking surface makes cleanup fast and easy, while its small size is perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, and smaller kitchens. It's great for classic waffles, but you can also get creative with hash browns, sandwiches, desserts, and other homemade treats. Perfect for busy mornings, family breakfasts, or quick snacks whenever you're craving something warm and delicious. Sometimes the smallest kitchen gadgets end up being the most useful. Number 11. The GE 2-Slice Stainless Steel Toaster. A good toaster is one of those kitchen essentials you use almost every day. This stainless steel toaster features extra-wide slots, making it perfect for bread, bagels, waffles, pastries, and thicker slices that don't fit in standard toasters. With 7 browning settings, you can choose anything from lightly toasted to perfectly crispy. It also includes dedicated bagel and frozen modes for better results every time. The removable crumb tray makes cleaning quick and easy, while the sleek stainless steel design looks great in any kitchen. Simple, reliable, and surprisingly versatile, this is one of those appliances you'll end up using far more than you expect. Number 12. The Touchless Smart Soap Dispenser. Washing your hands has never been easier or more hygienic. This automatic soap dispenser uses a built-in sensor to dispense soap instantly without touching anything, helping reduce germs and mess around the sink. With 6 adjustable soap levels, you can choose exactly how much soap you want each time. The rechargeable battery means no constant battery replacements, and the large 380 milliliter capacity lasts for weeks before needing a refill. It can sit on your countertop or be mounted on the wall to save space. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and families with kids. This is one of those simple gadgets that quickly becomes part of your daily routine. Number 13. The Digital Kitchen Scale. If you love cooking or baking, accuracy can make all the difference. This digital kitchen scale measures ingredients with precision down to just 1 gram, helping you get perfect results every time. It supports multiple units, including grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters, making it ideal for recipes from anywhere in the world. The tare function lets you subtract the weight of bowls and containers instantly, saving time and reducing guesswork. Whether you're baking bread, tracking nutrition, meal prepping, or portioning ingredients, this is one of those simple tools that quickly becomes essential in any kitchen. Number 14. The Dual Coffee Maker. Why choose between a full pot of coffee and a single cup when you can have both? This versatile coffee maker lets you brew up to 12 cups for family and guests, or make a single serving using coffee grounds or K-cup pods. The programmable timer allows you to wake up to fresh coffee every morning, while the Keep Warm function keeps your coffee hot for up to 2 hours. With fast brewing technology and an easy-to-use touchscreen display, it's designed for convenience and flexibility. Whether you're making your morning coffee, an afternoon iced coffee, or brewing for a group, this machine handles it all with ease. For coffee lovers, this could easily replace 2 separate machines while saving valuable counter space. Number 15. The Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Seasoning your food has never been easier. With just the press of a button, these automatic grinders deliver freshly ground salt and pepper in seconds. The adjustable coarseness settings let you choose everything from fine seasoning to larger restaurant-style grinds. The built-in LED light helps you see exactly how much seasoning you're adding, making it perfect for cooking or serving at the dinner table. Their modern design looks great in any kitchen, while the larger capacity means fewer refills. It's a small upgrade that makes everyday cooking feel a little more premium and professional. Number 16. The Self-Stirring Coffee Mug. Tired of searching for a spoon every time you make coffee or hot chocolate? This self-stirring mug mixes your drink automatically with the press of a button. The high-speed magnetic stirring system quickly blends coffee, protein shakes, tea, hot chocolate, and other drinks in seconds. Its rechargeable battery means no disposable batteries are needed, while the stainless steel interior helps keep drinks warm for longer. The spill-resistant lid makes it great for your desk, office, or even travel. It may seem like a simple gadget, but once you use it, you'll wonder why every mug doesn't do this already. Number 17, the automatic milk frother and steamer. Love cafe-style coffee, but don't want to spend money at coffee shops every day? This automatic milk frother creates rich, creamy foam for lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, and hot chocolate right at home. It can make both hot and cold foam, giving you plenty of options for every season. The detachable stainless steel jug makes pouring and cleaning easy, while the one-touch controls make operation simple for anyone. Whether you're making a morning latte or an iced coffee in the afternoon, this gadget brings the coffee shop experience straight to your kitchen. For coffee lovers, this might be one of the best upgrades you can make to your morning routine. Number 18, the Olivia Oil Sprayer. Controlling how much oil you use in the kitchen has never been easier. This premium oil sprayer creates a fine, even mist that's perfect for air fryers, salads, grilling, roasting, and cooking. The precise spray control helps reduce waste while giving your food just the right amount of oil every time. Unlike pouring directly from a bottle, it helps you cook healthier meals with better portion control. The refillable glass design is reusable, easy to clean, and looks great on any kitchen counter. If you use an air fryer regularly, this is one of those accessories you'll probably end up using every single day. Number 19, the Mueller all-in-one Mandoline slicer. Chopping vegetables by hand can take a surprising amount of time. This all-in-one kitchen gadget can slice, dice, grate, shred, julienne, and spiralize ingredients in seconds. With multiple interchangeable blades, it's perfect for onions, cucumbers, potatoes, carrots, cheese, and much more. The built-in container catches everything as you work, keeping your kitchen cleaner and reducing mess on the countertop. It's especially useful for meal prep, salads, stir-fries, and large family dinners. If you cook regularly, this is one of those gadgets that can save you time almost every single day. Number 20, the Crock-Pot Portable Lunch Warmer. Tired of cold lunches or waiting in line for the office microwave? This portable food warmer heats your meals and keeps them warm wherever you go. Its spill-resistant design makes it perfect for work, school, road trips, and busy days on the move. Just plug it in and enjoy warm, homemade meals without needing a microwave. The compact size makes it easy to carry, while the removable container makes cleaning simple and convenient. Whether it's soup, pasta, leftovers, or your favorite lunch, this gadget lets you enjoy hot meals anytime and anywhere. For people who bring lunch from home, this can quickly become an everyday essential. And that's it for today's Amazon Kitchen Finds. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. You'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.